Okay, when there is no water or water supply crisis exists, the climate becomes hot and dry. Then leaving behind many problems. Like the most obvious problem is the increasing of the disease rate, which means such as fever, heat stroke. Okay, the increasing of disease. The lack of water can cause people reduce the water using time, and because the leaf water used to cooking and drinking. So in such a condition, human become weak and easy, and the increasing disease rate. Okay, so there are some recommendations include of the government rule, the authority rule, the solution used by the company, and the medium rule, like Atika said before. Okay. So the people should have the mind to save water daily. Don't waste water and culture the habit of saving water since childhood. Okay, let me conclude. In a nutshell, water supply crisis is the serious disaster that can cause chaos to the mankind. Not to only blame it on the nature, but also have the wrongdoing of human ourselves. It's a hard situation, but I believe we can control it by ourselves. If all of the authority and also the civilization lend a hand together to overcome this problem. Okay. Before I finish the conclusions, let me show a video to show this project. This water supply crisis is real, exists in Selangor and Kuala Lumpur. Okay, there is a video, the news about a place happened the water supply crisis. Then there's the government send a water tank to solve this problem in this village.
Elsewhere, portable tanks have been installed to help those who missed the water delivery. Now it's been almost 3 weeks since the taps have
This is why we say this is the effect to the daily routine. The people need to collect the water from the water tank. This very far from the house.
Limiting the water cuts to every 2 days.
And there's a washing time also.
The government has warned that water levels at major rivers and dams will reach critical levels across several states if the current hot and dry spell continues. Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak says his cabinet will decide on Wednesday if there's a need to declare a state of emergency in the badly
So the water supply crisis is a very serious problem until our Prime Minister has to think a way to solve it.
Keadaan di mana ada red cloud, apa boleh kita buat cloud seeding. Maknanya kita bersedia untuk melakukan perkara itu.
More than 6,000 open fires are blazing across the nation, 14 times more than the same period last year. And as the acrid smoke from bush and peat fires fills the air, the public is now concerned about the return of the haze that choked the nation last year. Months ago, Channel News Asia, Kuala Lumpur. Like thousands of others in the suburb of Malakot, 60-year-old.
Okay. That is the video. So I want to conclude that our project title, the water supply crisis in Selangor and Kuala Lumpur, crisis of real. So I want to conclude it is real. That's all.